In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger messages that are disappearing. First, launch open the Messenger app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, open the affected conversation. Here, tap on the person's name at the top. Scroll down and get to Privacy and Support section. Find the option of disappearing messages. Tap on that. Now, if this option is turned on, then you simply want to tap on the off option to turn that off. If it's turned on, then your messages are going to be disappeared, so make sure that it is turned off. Next, head back. Now, you want to check if Vanish Mode is enabled. If it is enabled, then it's going to say that you have turned on the disappearing messages or Vanish Mode on. So to turn this off, you simply want to swipe up from the bottom of the chat until the Vanish Mode turns off. Once it's disabled, new messages will remain in the conversation unless they are manually deleted. Now, if your messages are still disappearing even after turning off the disappearing messages mode, then you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Keep in mind that if someone has enabled disappearing messages or Vanish Mode before sending messages, or if the messages were deleted by you or the other participant, they cannot be recovered through the app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.